Let's test it out. And it does. There we go. Just gotta find the screw really quick. Doesn't want to come up. There we go. Problem solved. I don't know if I take the bottom off or the top. It's already coming off, as you can see. So I'm gonna flip it to the top because I think the top comes off. Like so. Cool. Let me go to make some room. Okay, that's a little better. This is the opening and closing mechanism. Cool. So looks like I can take the shielding off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Okay, this seems like it's never been opened. Doesn't look too bad so far. What I do like is that they seem to be the same length and the same type of screw. So although I will try to separate them, it looks like they are interchangeable. There we go. Cool. And oh, it's stuck right there. There we go. Not bad. Wonder why there's a bunch of scratch marks. Jeez. So weird.
If you enjoyed and want more of this type of content, leave a like and subscribe for future videos and shorts.